Hey, I'm Henry, the manager at Apollo Screen and Shade here in Atlanta, and today we're out in Douglasville, Georgia for a really special installation on a classic Georgia-style home. The client wanted to fully enclose their front porch. And honestly, I love these types of projects because the front porch is such a big part of Southern living. You want to actually be able to use it. Now, one thing they were very clear about, they needed fast in and out access. So along with the power screens across the porch, we installed an Athena PowerDoor at the front entrance. One touch and it opens and closes automatically. No fumbling, no lifting, just smooth, effortless access every single time. And the results speak for themselves. The screens blend beautifully with the look and feel of this home, like they were always meant to be there. You've got complete bug protection, a little privacy from the street, and a front porch that's actually livable again. This is what we do at Apollo Screen and Shade. If you've got a porch like this one and you're ready to start enjoying it the way it was meant to be enjoyed, give us a call or stop by our Marietta showroom. We'd love to show you what's possible.